Hi and welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today we are going to sublimate I'm going to show you how I sublimate a 4x4 tile from Lowe's. But before we start, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know the next time that I drop a video. Okay, today we're going to need our tile from Lowe's. It's 15 cents. You go in Lowe's where they have like the bathroom towels, there where you get them from. You're gonna get a piece of Oracle 651 vinyl. Sorry it took me so long to respond. And you're gonna get a piece of laminated paper, your image, and your heat tape. Okay. First thing first, we're going to cut our image out. We're going to cut our image out. Set that right there aside. Okay, once we cut our image out, we're going to take our Oracle 651 vinyl. We're going to put our image on top just to make sure that we have enough. We're going to get our blade and we're going to cut this. Then we're going to get our laminated paper, shiny side up. Make sure the laminated paper is shiny side up. And when you get your laminated paper, it always comes in two, so you want to tear that apart. Okay, you're going to put the laminated paper on top of your vinyl. You're going to get your butcher paper, your heat tape. Oh, that thing's going over the place. And you're going to tape it down like that. Okay. You get it? You put it on your... I should have taped it down on the side so it won't bunch up. Okay, like that. You put it on your heat press. I'll show you my heat press. And you're going to press it for a few seconds. Just for a few seconds. I say for about 20 seconds. Okay. You take it off. And what I like to do, I like to get my scraper and get the air bubbles out. Okay. Once your laminated paper on your vinyl, you're going to get your image. You're going to get your image and you're going to put it on top of that laminated paper, like that. Okay. Put it back on your heat press. Put the butcher paper on top, and you're going to press that for 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, you're going to lift it up, take the butcher paper off, take your image off. It came out so pretty. I'm going to just show you how it looks when you take it off. It's pretty. Okay, and what I do next, I just like cut around my butcher paper. Make sure you do better than that, because I think I did that all messed up. And move it so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. Sorry for all the noise. Okay, once you do that, you're going to take the rest of that butcher paper off the back. See how that just comes off? I'm trying to get that butcher paper, get all that butcher paper off the back of your vinyl. Sorry for the noise. Okay, and you're just gonna peel back the back end off your vinyl. What I like to do, forgot to tell y'all this, I usually press it down again. I'm going to just press it down a little bit for a few seconds. Okay. And you're just going to take your vinyl backing off like that. Take your vinyl backing off. You're going to get your towel. And you're going to set your image. That's what I like to do. I like to put my image upside down so I can see through it. Make sure I got it in the center. Like that. Okay. What I like to do, I always buy the cork, and I put it on the back of my towel. So I'm gonna cut my vinyl. Take all that excess off. Like that. Okay. And that's how it's going to look. And the only thing you're doing is like folding it down. You're folding it down over that towel. And if you had the cork, you could have folded it down and put that cork on the top of, glue it on the top of this right here, so you won't have all this right here showing. And that's what you have. A nice, pretty, you can put it on the wall, like make a big portrait on the wall. You can get the cork, like I said, and put it on the back of it, and it can be coasters. You can give it as a Christmas gift. Whatever you want to do with it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment, bottom of the comment. Sorry, I can't talk today. In the comment, please Put any questions down in the comment section. Sorry about that. Can't get it out. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share my videos. I have a lot of more DIYs coming to you. God bless you. Thank you.
Open up, UOPN.